Hello and welcome, this is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video we're going to discuss that a big move is coming for Bitcoin. The question is it up or is it down? And also that Bitcoin, gold and S&P 500, so the stock market, it's more correlated right now than ever. The second news will be about DeFi, that the DeFi sector went up 19% in average in the last 24 hours, which is a big move. And the third news is about Afrika, in a way that small crypto transactions have increased in Africa by 55% compared to last year. And what does it mean? So all this in today's video, and if you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency and you would like to get a brand new video about these news every weekday, so from Monday to Friday, every day about the blockchain and crypto, then you should subscribe to this channel, Blockchain Bloom, and also hit the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they out. And also you can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Plus, I can give you, and I would like to give you, a totally free course, which is all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Prepare yourself before the bull market. The link is right under the video here on YouTube. It's a totally free course with a lot of valuable information. And now, it's time to move on and check out the market. So Bitcoin is $10,326 right now, which is a 1.68% increase. Ethereum went up also by more than 8%. Right now, $367. When we're looking at the top winners, Ample4 is now going up again above $1. And it's a 59% increase, so that means you're getting extra tokens if you're holding now Ample4. We have Solana, 46%, and Yearn Finance, it's 34%. But look at this. It's really a green day what we're having. You know, I just keep going down, going down, going down. Everything is green. Let's check out the losers. How about the losers? Okay, Tron is now minus 3%, Hyperion minus 2%, and Cybervein minus 2.5%. And then everything, look, everything, all the losers under 1%. So no losers basically. Until here, look, not a lot. And then again, just gains. So after last week and after this Monday, what we have had this week, everything is coming back now, and there is an increase. And actually, this is a really, really good sign. And now let's move on to the first news. So first of all, that a big move is coming up for Bitcoin. That's how it looks like. It should go somewhere. The question is it going down towards 9,500 and even more down? Or is it now going up? Because now it's quite steady, you know, around this $10,000 range. And it won't be like this, I think, for a long time. It has to make some moves. And, you know, now we can check which possibility it's more likely. And definitely, it's always the chance that it will go down. Because why not? It's crypto. Anything can happen. But I personally believe that it will rather go now up. I'm a little bit more bullish than bearish. And this is for many reasons. First of all, the election, which is coming up. So as long as they will push the stock market, I think also Bitcoin will go up. And here is this news. Look, Bitcoin, gold, and the S&P 500 are increasingly correlated. And this is very important. The correlation between gold and Bitcoin price is record highs. Bitcoin and S&P 500 index is also highly correlated. So, which means basically that the people, they don't believe in it's the fiat currency, it's the dollar. And now they're looking for safe havens. And now Bitcoin, the reason that Bitcoin is correlated with these, because people started to think about Bitcoin also as a kind of safe haven where they can put their savings and hopefully it will increase. Because if you keep it in cash in long term, it simply will just go down, the value of it. And people are really afraid of this. Here you can see that the price action probably has more to do with the dollar than with the gold itself. So the reason why it's correlated. The US currency is depreciating, how to say that? Depreciating. And the Federal Reserve recently decided to let inflation rise above 2% annually target. So this was very important. Not long ago, a couple of weeks ago, the Fed said, okay, inflation can go over 2%, no problem. That means that as time passes, people cannot buy the same assets with the same amount of money. Simply said, inflation. And therefore, now they're looking for safe havens. So this is also the reason why Bitcoin would go more up, because people start to believe in it and take it seriously, just like they take serious gold and the stock market. And, what we have seen now in the past, always Bitcoin was the leader and then the alts will follow. But right now you can see simply Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, and this is a very big, strong altcoin, the second on the top list, right under Bitcoin. And now what we can see that the alts are moving very nicely, and Bitcoin is following the alts rather than vice versa, what was in the past, that the alts were following Bitcoin. And of course, that means that the market dominance of Bitcoin is continuously now decreasing, because there are so many quality alts which became stronger and stronger and have a big influence on the market. And as you can see now, this all green area, everything went up, and also the good ones. That's definitely had a good impact on Bitcoin. And in the past, it was always when Bitcoin went up, and then when it started to go down, then the altcoins. But now what we can see, that people start to diversify their portfolio even a bit more. Before that, it was very risky to put it on altcoins and let's go just for Bitcoin. Now, more and more people think that putting quality altcoins, it's also very good idea, even at the early stage. And therefore, they still believe in Bitcoin, and this is still the most important one, but they're a bit more open-minded. And therefore, the Bitcoin dominance is now a bit decreasing. So now it looks like altcoins and taking it over. And also Ethereum. Ethereum is used for so many projects, and especially for all these DeFi projects. This is the base layer, basically. And some of them are not even considering it an altcoin anymore because it became so strong. However, what do we see? It's a separated category. So we have Bitcoin and everything else is altcoin so far. So interesting, but either way, Bitcoin should make a bigger move soon, because it cannot stay here forever. I personally more bullish now than bearish for the reasons I have just mentioned, but in crypto, everything is possible. Okay, the second news is all about DeFi take and rebound. If you remember, yesterday I have said that there were actually 6 DeFi token which were over minus 50% decrease in last 7 days. And now, look, when the market turns, in average, these DeFi projects went up 19%. But look at here, some of the big ones. It's like, here you can see the numbers, 39, 37, 29, 29, and so forth and so forth. Here you had see Ampleforce really killing it, plus 84%. Year-end Finance, 39%. Loopring, 30%. So what's happening now, if people were, just... Right now, a lot of people are a bit undecided, I have to say. They not sure which way Bitcoin will go. As we have discussed before, it will move, but which direction? Therefore, they're a bit more careful But right now, the market looks actually bullish. It was a very significant thing, I believe, that on Tuesday, when the stock market opened after Labor Day, and actually it went down, Bitcoin didn't follow. It stayed at 10,000 and a little bit above it. And this was actually, I think, actually a very important thing, because until now we always see when the stock market goes down, Bitcoin went after it straight away. So it's getting stronger. And now, yesterday, actually, the stock market was going up, looking very positive. And of course, everything in crypto started to go up too, altcoins, Bitcoin. So, therefore, we can see that the DeFi sector is also recovering. And if you have quality DeFi projects, then they should perform very well in the future. So I personally believe it's worth to hold them and not sell them, even if there's a possibility that the whole market can go down. But in my opinion, it's more likely after the election than before the election. But we will see. And the third is all about that small value crypto transfers in Afrika have actually increased by 55%. And we can see that they actually really suffering over there with the local currency. And this now, Bitcoin looks like a possibility for them. Here is this guy, here's his name, Abolai Odunyo. I'm not sure I said it well, but something like that. Who runs a mobile phone retail store in Lagos, and Nigeria's largest city, started using Bitcoin to pay his Chinese suppliers. He told writers that he shifted to crypto to speed and convenience. So actually, Bitcoin became more convenient, faster. So he's totally happy with it. Bitcoin helped to protect my business against currency devaluation and enabled me to grow at the same time. So for them, it's now actually crucial to use cryptocurrency. It's not like in the Western world, we don't understand it, because what does it mean? You have to use something instead of the currency. No, you're okay with our fiat currency. We have it, okay, it's not that great in long term, but it's working. So now the majority is not worrying at all. But over there, actually, this is the way out of trouble. This is the way if somebody wants to protect the family, their business. So everything becoming, all crypto becoming very strong, the interest in crypto, and of course Bitcoin is leading it. Here, the value of cryptocurrency sent to Africa in 2020, it says to surpass the previous year's total sent 8 billion, with almost 1 billion sent in June alone. By contrast, the World Bank reported that only 48 billion worth of fiat was sent to sub-Saharan Africa back in 2019, with the total expected to fall to 37 billion this year. So we can see that, look, this is increasing what people send to and from Africa in crypto. And this is increasing. And which is decreasing is what they do in fiat. And this is a significant change, I think. It's a really big one if we compare it just in 1 year. And then, there will be other countries, Venezuela, so some other countries which actually suffering with their local currency. For them, Bitcoin is a real change. So there is the use case of Bitcoin. And already it affects millions of people's life in a good way. So I think this is a positive thing. Guys, thanks a lot. If you like the content, then smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to get a fresh video about the hottest and freshest crypto and blockchain news every weekday from Monday to Friday, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom. Also hit the the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they out. And tomorrow, obviously, I'm coming back with another video. So you guys see you tomorrow. Don't forget to download the totally free course, How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. It's a very, very important one. prepare yourself for the bull market. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye-bye.